In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin user from Hostinger. If you need to revoke someone's access to your Hostinger account, the process is very straightforward. This can be useful if a team member no longer needs access, if you want to improve account security, or if you simply want to clean up who can manage your account. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can do it quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as usual. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one project or website. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen where your account options are located. Next, click on your profile. This will open the section where your personal and account-related settings are managed. From there, look for the option called Account Sharing and click on it. This is the area where Hostinger shows all users who currently have shared access to the account. Once you're in the Account Sharing section, you'll be able to see the list of shared users. Go through the list carefully and locate the admin user you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct person before making any changes, since removing access will prevent that user from continuing to manage the account. When you find the user you want to remove, look next to their name for the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the available actions for that user. In the menu that appears, click Remove Access. After you do that, Hostinger may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it and confirm the removal. This helps make sure the change is intentional and prevents accidental removal. Once confirmed, that admin user will no longer have access to the account. If you're updating permissions for security reasons, it's also a good practice to review the rest of your shared users while you're already in this section, just to make sure everyone listed still needs access. And that's it. That's how to remove an admin user from Hostinger. As you can see, the process only takes a minute when you know where to find the account sharing settings.